What is up, guys? Today we're going to play Among Us. Yes, another Among Us video because I think I've been making this Among Us and more Plants vs Paradox. So Hakim is creeping me out, so I'm gonna put him spider in his back. And yeah, I'm a spy. And you might be wondering, why do I always kill Hakim the whole time first? I mean, it could be obvious, but I'll just tell you. Because
But I'm not
I'm
imposter.
imposter.
I'm the captain.
I cannot say it out here. I don't want to say it out loud. That's why you always be like, you always hear me like silent all the time. As soon as I be the imposter. Okay, okay.
Sure, I'm not imposter.
No, I don't know if you're lying or you're telling the truth, bruh. Anyways, I'm doing some talk.
I'm not gonna hurt you, I promise.
No, oh damn. I was with Green.
Tell the color what
I was with Green when we found body. Anyways, hopefully you like and subscribe because I don't know. Yeah, I don't know really. Be supportive, please. Yeah, Kim almost got caught, bruh. You almost got get kicked out, bruh.
Yeah, even though I'm not imposter.
This guy said imposter too many times to be like, yeah, I'm sure he's not the imposter.
You did too much, I did chaos.
Oh yeah, by the way, you can complete this task faster by just hitting the same meteor twice. And Hakim, if you really are the imposter, I'm just gonna leave you until somebody, all the people caught you. Catch you, yeah.
Hey, I'm not imposter.
What the hell? Did I just hear something? Ah, let's just complete some tasks. Um, 43272. Oh,
Nice, see. Green killed me, ready to kill me now.
oh, dang, bruh. Hakim got killed, and I mean, I'm not sure, but he's holding the gun of the government.
Killed
He didn't die. And he didn't die. So I think he is a government agent. It's purple. There's no purple. There's purple. Anyways, we'll be back.
If I was imposter, I was the puppet master, I wanted to give you the clap.
Oh, Bomba Cup. Oh, by the way, you missed my face. I'm here.
I see your face.
I know you don't see my face, okay? But I'm talking to the viewers, okay? But anyways, Kim's dead. There's his one eye just popping out there on that side. Anyways, oh, I really forgot how to tell the rules of this game. Okay, let me. I know I always do this, but anyways, as the crewmates, we do our task. Finish the bar up here. Okay, we just move this on the bottom real quick, and we win. Or vote out the imposter out. Depends. While the imposters have to kill every single one, or sabotage stuff in order to win. And yeah, this thing's out of the way. In the way.
Oh, Red got killed. Tried Red.
Oh, Rick got killed. Dang, shame. Anyways, 9, 7. 97257. Oh, it was already fixed. Anyways, who's gonna fix the other two? Bruh, who's gonna fix the other two, bruh? We're gonna lose. Okay, Noah got that one. I'm gonna go for the other one. I don't know where's the other one. Nah, Noah's not doing anything, bruh. Noah's the imposter, bruh. Secret. That doesn't matter, bruh. We lost big time.
No,
Lost big time. Yeah.
I'm not
Nah, you see, he's the imposter.
I know who's the other one.
Anyways, it's dark, so you might not see me at times. Like my screen was red. It was the imposter. Anyways, you know, we like our big scale. Let's see if I can beat it. Okay, this is the first time that I ever had a neutral role, and it's the ghost killing. So yeah, the twist is there's neutral roles. They only want to win themselves. That's basically their goals. There will be so much different roles, like the jester and stuff. But just hopefully we get more these neutral roles so we can. They're actually like one of the hardest. I think one of the hardest to do. But who wants to win with a bunch of people, or yeah, just two people, two friends, where you can get yourself a win on and only you. Me, I'm that greedy. Just joking, I'm not that greedy. Dang, bruh, stop calling the meeting, bruh. And don't vote me out, please. I didn't vote you out last time, bruh. When you were the imposter, bruh. Everybody did vote you out. Except me. Oh wait, somebody killed you. Yeah. But anyways, I'll be back. Peace. Okay, so the meeting is done. But you might be wondering what this row does. And I will show you once I actually do it. You're gonna be either the second or the last target. The first one can be somebody else. Okay, let's chop some vegetables. Ching chong, wada bing bang. Oh, thank you for my gift. I really like that gift. I just had. Yeah, you sent.
Yeah,
What is
Santa's
that?
job is to make sure he listens to everyone. If he doesn't, then he loses. But if he finishes it, he wins. Must finish
Okay.
this last of giving.
Well, I think he gave the wrong person the gifts.
Yeah. Did that thing just took me away?
Oh wait. Hakim, get out. Because of that.
Right? Nah,
I wanted to kill other people, but there were so many people. I didn't expect you to actually be there. They could have voted out the other person, but that was nearby your body, bruh. Nah. But okay, I'm back and we're gonna kill two more. And I did warn you, but I
So, should I kill?
okay,
Yeah,
well,
anyways, we have to, yeah.
I'm gonna go for pink. I'm gonna go for pink. I think pink is the imposter. I don't know. It's either gonna be pink or blue. I don't know. What? This one. That's my second kill. Last kill. Oh wait,
Crew members.
I killed the imposter. Nah, but fine. I didn't want alone. I didn't want to speak. Okay. At least I did you guys a favor. Okay. Last game. Okay, so guys, I'm the captain. So what does the captain do? The captain is not the imposter.
I'm the doctor.
And anybody else cannot be imposter. Oh, well, what are you? Come tell me before I continue.
Right, I'm the doctor.
So, anyways, how it works is I can call a meeting anywhere, anytime.
Let's go.
And also, I am supposed to give the right orders. Okay, task complete, and we gotta, and nobody's gonna complete this. Because people are dang lazy. Anyways, 9, 2, 4,
Just like
8. Okay, one more, Aki, one more. Oh, you die, bruh.
what you mean? Are you the imposter?
No, bruh. I'm the captain, remember? Anyways, we didn't get only Hakim got the imposter this video. Me, I got neutral. I'm the only one that got. I got
Yeah, it just feels.
I mean, neutral roles has got to be one of the most selfish people. Yeah,
You
okay.
don't know who's the boss.
Nah, bro, these people are sabotaging the whole time, bro. Skeleton, like. Ugh, never mind. Let me just do the toilets, bro. I ain't gonna complete the toilets.
So guys, yeah. If
Ish.
you're the imposter, give him a toast to them.
I'm not the imposter, I'm the captain. Remember? You're not doing
Guys,
the.
guys, guys, give me a toast in.
What?
If Shoaib is the imposter, people, give me a 20 then.
Like, we don't do. I'm not.
You know, like they already do that.
You know, I said I'm the captain. I wasn't joking about that. It is Sam Rocks. Okay, let's vote for him. See what happens. Oh, yeah. Good.
Yeah,
Let's go, guys. We won.
one more game.
Not one more game, bruh. Over. Anyways, guys, see you later, and we mostly won. Yeah, but from me killing the imposter, bruh. I actually got a chance to kill the imposter. Good job, me. Good job, me. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Peace.